morning, you guys. Welcome back to a new video. So today I decided to wake up extremely late, like just super lazy vibes, literally like so unproductive of me. And I feel like I just wasted like my whole morning. Like it's basically 12 right now and I just wasted my whole morning literally like sleeping, not doing anything. I was laying in bed for like 2 hours. Like it's just not cute. So I decided to start filming, and I'm going to be filming a turning my day around vlog. I'm pretty sure I filmed one of these videos. I think it was like a saving a half wasted day videos like a year ago or something. But today I wanted to film a turning my day around because that is exactly what we're going to be doing. I just basically wasted my whole morning. I don't want to feel like since I wasted my whole morning, I wasted my whole day, because I feel like you could still save the rest of the day. The problem with me is that I don't like doing certain tasks after a certain hour of the day. So I have this thing where like I could only be productive in the morning. Like there's some things that I could only do in the morning. Like I could only work out in the morning. Sometimes I could only do laundry in the morning. I just don't like doing certain things in the afternoon, like after a certain time. But for the sake of this video, I want to save my day. I don't want to just throw it away and say that tomorrow's a new day. No, we still have the opportunity to save the day, and that's exactly what I'm going to do because I have a lot of things to do, and I actually do have laundry to do, and I would like to go on a run. So I definitely want to turn my day around and be productive because I don't want to just throw everything away, because that's not very good of me. Okay, so it is about to be 1 o'clock and I decided that I'm going to exercise and move my body, because just because I woke up late and I have a late start to my day does not stop me from anything, and I'm still going to work out. I prioritize my health and I try to exercise as much as I can during the week. So today I am going to make sure that I move my body, and I'm gonna go on a little run. Also, I went on the balcony and the weather is so crisp. It's so nice. It's not humid and the sun is barely out. It's kind of gloomy. So it's the perfect day to go on a run, and I'm going to take advantage of that. I was planning on going to the gym, but when I went out to the balcony and I saw that the weather was so nice, I'm like, no, I'm taking advantage of this and we're going on a run. So right now I'm going to get ready and dressed, and I'm gonna go on this little run. I'm gonna listen to a podcast. It's gonna be the best vibes ever, and I'm looking forward to it. So let's get ready. Okay, I just changed. I put on this pink sports bra from Nike, and then this white little shirt that I cropped. I thrifted it like a long time ago. And then these pink Lululemon shorts and my pink Nike shoes. Literally everything is pink. But I'm gonna put on my contacts because I don't like running with my glasses and I am blind. I feel like I never show or like talk about me wearing contacts, but I actually do wear contacts like a lot. I started wearing contacts a really long time ago, like when I was in 6th grade, and I've just been wearing them on and off ever since. It's been a really long time. I definitely want to get eye surgery, but I can't get eye surgery unless my like prescription stays still and doesn't move and like fluctuate that much, just because if not, like I could get the eye surgery and then my eyesight just goes downhill and it just gets bad again. That's why I have to wait for my eyesight to not worsen. So that's what I'm waiting for. But then as soon as I get the green light, I am getting eye surgery because I cannot stand being blind. Like if you have 20/20 vision, I am so jealous of you. Like literally be grateful for that, because you don't understand the struggles of having to wear glasses. Like I wake up in the morning and I'm blind. I can't see anything unless I put on my glasses. Like I don't think people that have 20/20 vision, I don't think they understand the struggles of being blind and wearing contacts and stuff. My eyesight is really bad. I have like a 5, like a -5 here, and here I have like a -4.75. If you don't know anything about eyesight, then you're not gonna understand, but that is really bad, like really bad. Like I am very blind. I cannot see anything without my glasses or my contacts. So we love that for me, but hopefully we get that figured out in the next couple of years. I'm 19, so hopefully in the next couple of years we could do something about that, because it would really help and save my life a lot. Okay, I just put up my hair in a claw clip. I've been like running or like working out with claw clips now, because I used to wear buns, but then it would just like fall every time I ran, and I feel like claw clips are more like steady with my hair, and I have a lot of hair, so yeah, I try to wear something that really holds up my hair, because if not, like the bun or like the ponytail just falls. So hopefully this claw clip helps. But yeah, I'm gonna go on a run and I'm gonna take you guys along. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so as you guys could see, if you could hear it, the wind is so nice. Like the temperature right now is so nice. I'm just walking and it feels so nice. Like the weather, we don't get weather like this in Miami, but apparently I saw the weather channel and apparently the temperature is supposed to go down this week. So I am so happy, like you don't understand. I have been craving like fall weather for the longest time now, and hopefully we get it soon. But I'm gonna start running because the wind is so nice and I want to take advantage. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. As you could see, I feel so clean because I really sweat and like got super tired with my run, but it felt so good. I'm so clean now. I feel so nice and clean, and now I wanted to do some self-care. So the other day I went to Marshall's and I got these like eye patches that I've been seeing like everywhere on TikTok and YouTube and all of that. So I wanted to buy some and like try them out because I've never tried this type of like eye patches before. So I want to try it out. So I hate my under eyes, and I definitely think that this will make me look more lively and rejuvenated, and that is exactly what I'm looking for. So I don't know if you're supposed to like moisturize your face and do all of that and then put them on, or put them on and then moisturize your face. Here it says to thoroughly clean and dry your face and eye area, and then place an individual eye strip patch under each eye, gently smoothing out with fingertips. And then it says to leave it on for 20 minutes. So I just washed my face in the shower and I didn't do my skincare yet. I didn't put on my serum or my moisturizer or anything. So I think that I'm just going to put this and then do my skincare. So that's what I'm guessing. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, it's like very slimy. I don't know what way you're supposed to put it. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Oh my God, I feel like I'm in a spa right now. This looks crazy, but it feels so good. I'm just going to go like this. Okay, I'm gonna leave my eye patches on for 20 minutes. Okay, I just took off the eye patches, and honestly, like, they don't really do anything. Like, I don't believe that that stuff does anything. I just like bought it because it was like for the funsies, and also it was like really cheap because it was like from Marshall's and I got like a random brand. But I'm like 100% sure that that doesn't do anything. Like, it just left my under eye bags feeling kind of like cold and stuff, but like it doesn't do anything. Like, I don't really believe in it. Like, for example, a face mask, like, it actually does something, but these little eye patches, I don't really know what they do. But I mean, hopefully they do something. I mean, I have like a whole pack, so maybe when I use the whole pack I'll see a difference of something. But anyways, I feel very clean right now, and I'm glad that I am doing some skincare and some self-care. But I really want to go grocery shopping possibly in a little bit, like later on, because I don't really have like any fruit or any like good little foods or like snacks. And I also want avocados for like breakfast because I don't have anything. So I'm definitely going to be going out to go grocery shopping, and I also have like a lot of things to do. Like, I have like laundry and stuff, and I also want to clean. So right now I'm probably gonna like clean, and then I'll go grocery shopping, and then I might do laundry. I don't know, we'll see. But I just finished my little skincare and I feel nice and clean, and yeah. Okay, Okay, so right now I'm in the car and I am on my way to the grocery store. I'm at a red light right now, but I'm gonna go to the grocery store and just get some fruit and some like avocados, maybe just a couple things just to have, because I feel like we barely have anything at the fridge at my house. So I want some fruit. Hopefully there's good fruit, because honestly the grocery store that's by my house is kind of like the worst thing ever. Like they never have like fresh fruit, which is so annoying. So I always have to go to like the far grocery stores to get fruit, but we didn't like these past days, so now I don't have fruit and I really want fruit and avocados and all that. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store, see what I can find, see if there's any good food, and buy it. Okay, I just finished grocery shopping. I'm gonna give you guys the quickest haul ever. Okay, first, a grocery shopping haul for me is not a grocery shopping haul for me if it doesn't have pasta included. So I got this new shape I've never tried. It's called pipe rigate and it looks very yummy. Then I got some organic avocados. There's 4 and they're so yummy for my breakfast. Then I got some strawberries. They didn't have organic ones, so that sucks. I also got some bananas that are not organic either. And I got some organic cauliflower that I love eating with potato. That's pretty much my haul. Very little, but very necessary. All kinds of healthy things. And now I'm going to drive home. I just made myself some nice and healthy dinner. I have some vegetable soup right here that I just heated up, and I have some sausages as my protein, and I'm very excited, I'm very hungry, and I'm going to enjoy my little dinner.